being here is that I'm parent to 30 of the children who took part in the program this morning. 30 is a large number, and you must be wondering, these are children who led very difficult lives on the streets, and who my colleagues and I are taking care of, and they call me Papa, and the principal here agreed warmly to open up the doors of this school to these children, and they're studying here. They're studying in the Naya Daur afternoon classes for the time being, but both Ms. Annie Koshi and I are confident that they will one day qualify and study with the other children, and I personally feel confident that they will do extremely well in school and in life. I'm here also because I greatly admire the work of the principal and the teachers here. I feel that St. Mary's, I've come here on several occasions, and looking at the faces of the children and their work and their performance, I feel you can make out how much the teachers, the staff here, how much they put in to build the education of our children. I just wanted to say one or two very quick things. Most of all, I long to see an India in which every child in India gets chances to have exactly the kind of education that the children privileged to be in this school are able to get. And I wonder how long we will have to wait for an India where that will be possible. When we dreamed of an India in which everyone would have access to education, we assumed that it would mean that everyone would have access to the same kind of life opportunities. But in practice, depending on where you are born, you get that kind of level of opportunities of education, and therefore education does not give disadvantaged children a chance to move up, but actually freezes disadvantaged children to be exactly where they were, because they don't get the chances that children of greater privilege get. And that is something that we need to break. We need to have schools like St. Mary's is going into, in which children of privilege and children who've had difficult lives and disadvantage study, play, eat, make friends with each other. And I would say that it is not only the children who are disadvantaged who will gain from this interaction. The children who come from relatively privileged backgrounds will also gain, because our children who have struggled and lived life very bravely on the streets have a great deal to teach other children about life, about courage, about compassion, about caring, about being brave and being self-respecting. So I think that it is this mutual interaction from which they will learn from each other. The children, I think, are all set to come up with for the remaining sports exhibitions and competitions. I only wish all of them well. I wish them to enjoy their childhood, to enjoy their studies, and to grow into responsible, caring, happy individuals, living and celebrating the diversity of India. Thank you.
May I request Sri Mandar to give away the